Interesting old river birch. Red Oak Creek. Covered bridge. Yeah, the water's more stained than I want to try. I'm not going to try to get a camera underwater. But we will walk through the bridge. We will also do a short. I think we'll go back and do our short and then come back and walk through. We'll see. Stop recording.